See, it's not the court is unable to come to a decision. The court has come to a very decisive decision. But usually when there are controversial matters or when we have, like I deal with a lot of criminal cases which are death sentence reference matters, they always have odd numbers, the judges in odd numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9, because no two people can think alike. And there is always a possibility that when you're coming in appeal against something, one of the judges may agree, one may not agree. But unfortunately, in the present case, there were two judges. So they both had a difference of opinion. In fact, I won't say that it was a very strong difference of opinion, but the second judge had a different view on the subject. Because so far a very hyper-technical view was being taken. Is it violative? Is this government order? Is the government entitled to issue the order? Is the government order violative of our fundamental rights, etc., etc.? But the point which everybody missed was the timing of the order. In March, the girls have examinations. And if they don't attend college, they'll not be able to, take the examinations. And that was the whole thing which made it suspect. Really what was being missed was, the point was the girls.
Yeah, indeed.
If the constitution of, the preamble to the constitution says, we the people of India give ourselves this constitution. And what was the net result of this was the girls were being denied the right to education. I mean, it's okay to talk about freedom of choice or to say that I want to wear a hijab or I don't want to wear a hijab. But let's face facts. In rural India, in semi-urban India, and in small towns, girls don't have a choice.
So do you feel, in a way, this is not just marginalising a particular group, as in a religious group, but do you think it is directly sexist?
Oh, yes, definitely. I would say that it is definitely, I won't go to the extent of saying that it's marginalizing a particular religion, because, it doesn't reflect the thinking of the whole country. And the whole issue got politicized because there were some banned organizations which provoke girls. And, youngsters, adolescents, they're highly excitable. And, but it's definitely a sexist issue because girls in India are not expected to challenge social norms and shackles of patriarchy or make their own choices. It is patriarchy, it is society, and now the government who's going to dictate what they're going to wear, what they should not wear, what should be given to them, how should they talk, how should they behave. In fact, young girls are constantly being put on test, even for a simple thing like playing a game. I just want to inform you that we have an Olympic world boxing champion, Nikhat Zareen, and she spoke about her struggles, and because people ridiculed her choice, and her mother's whole, worry was, who will marry my daughter? So, religion and marriage are so ingrained in the psyche of human beings that, we are sometimes not able to think beyond that.
Yeah. So what's going to happen now? There's going to be a broader court assembled to adjudicate this again?
Absolutely. See, the process is that it's been put before the Chief Justice. Now, the Chief Justice has to again constitute a bench. So the present two judges plus, to make it an odd number, a third person. It will remain definitely not in 2022, maybe in 2023.
And the girls are just not going to school as a result?
The girls have they've missed out the examination. They've missed out 1 year. I mean, at least if there was some sensitivity, the court could have, whether it was upholding the order or rejecting the appeal, it could have said that one last chance be given to the girls. But so they've lost out. Yeah. And you know how difficult it is to to get into school. In fact, the dissenting judge, the second judge, the split verdict, who's the junior judge, that was the only thing that he said. None of them got into the issue of whether hijab is an essential religious practice or not. He said, I'm concerned about the girls. And the girls have no choice. And if this is education is the only way they can get out of these shackles, we should allow them that.
Yeah.
And that compassion and sensitivity which he showed, I think, is commendable.
Well, really good to get you talking about this, and we'll follow it and see what happens. Thanks, Charu.
Thank you.